Novio, migrena bosanuba, au blo novio. Migrena satanaba, au bloe. Au blo, au blo, au bloe. Au blo, au blo, au bloe. Migrena bosanuba, au blo novio. Migrena satanaba, au bloe. Ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragbe jokato jojo nya 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 jokato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragbe jokato jojo nya 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 ao migrena bosanuba ao blo novio migrena satanaba ao blo ao migrena bosanuba ao blo novio migrena satanaba, au bloe, au blo, au blo, au bloe, au blo, au blo, au bloe, migrena bosanuba, au blo novio, migrena satanaba, au bloe. Jokato, jojo nya nya nya, dala ya suragbe, jokato, jojo nya nya nya, ajato, jojo nya nya nya, dala ya suragbe. Ao migrena bosanuba, ao blo novio, migrena satanaba, ao blo. Novio migrena bosanuba, ao blo novio, migrena satanaba, ao. Kao boano beya oro, nakela pomana so.
Hello, on behalf of Siana, in collaboration with the Ewe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., it is our honor and joy to welcome you to Siana 2026 Convention. We are proud to host this historic gathering in the heart of Maryland, and we are ready to take it to a whole new level. With bold vision and unwavering commitment, we are elevating excellence in every detail, ensuring that Siana 2026 will be unforgettable. This year's theme, preserving culture, inspiring generations, is more than a slogan. It is a promise to honor our heritage, empower our youth, and unite our global Ewe family in purpose and pride. For decades, Siana has been the heartbeat of a people determined to celebrate their roots and shape their future. From the vibrant rhythms of Agbaja and Bobobo to the quiet wisdom of our elders, every convention has been a living tapestry of tradition, unity, and vision. Join us from September 3rd to September 7th, 2026 at Bethesda North Marriott Hotel, Maryland. Come ready to reconnect, to rejoice, and to raise funds to help build our Eweland. This is your moment. Register early, volunteer your time and talents, give generously to fuel the future, and most of all, share the message. Let the world know that Siana is not just alive, it is thriving. Together, we preserve culture. Together, we inspire generations. Together, with the Ewe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., we build Siana 2026. Join us to make history. Siana 2026. Honor the past. Empower the future. Visit www.siana2026.org for more information. See you there.
2026.
Yes.
Welcome you. DMV.
Yes.
Siena 2026 DMV will welcome you.
Thank you.
Hello, on behalf of Siana, in collaboration with the Ewe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., it is our honor and joy to welcome you to Siana 2026 Convention. We are proud to host this historic gathering in the heart of Maryland, and we are ready to take it to a whole new level. With bold vision and unwavering commitment, we are elevating excellence in every detail, ensuring that Siana 2026 will be unforgettable. This year's theme, preserving culture, inspiring generations, is more than a slogan. It is a promise to honor our heritage, empower our youth, and unite our global Ewe family in purpose and pride. For decades, Siana has been the heartbeat of a people determined to celebrate their roots and shape their future. From the vibrant rhythms of Agbaja and Bobobo to the quiet wisdom of our elders, every convention has been a living tapestry of tradition, unity, and vision. Join us from September 3rd to September 7th, 2026 at Bethesda North Marriott Hotel, Maryland. Come ready to reconnect, to rejoice, and to raise funds to help build our Eweland. This is your moment. moment. Register early, volunteer your time and talents, give generously to fuel the future, and most of all, share the message. Let the world know that Siena is not just alive, it is thriving. Together, we preserve culture. Together, we inspire generations. Together, with the Ewe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., we build Siena 2026. Join us to make history. Siena 2026. Honor the past. Empower the future. Visit www.siena2026.org for more information. See you there.
Siena 2026.
Yes.
Welcome you. DMV.
Yes.
Siena 2026 DMV will welcome you.
Thank you.
Hello, on behalf of Siena, in collaboration with the Ewe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., it is our honor and joy to welcome you to Siena 2026 Convention. We are proud to host this historic gathering in the heart of Maryland, and we are ready to take it to a whole new level. With bold vision and unwavering commitment, we are elevating excellence in every detail, ensuring that Siena 2026 will be unforgettable. This year's theme, preserving culture, inspiring generations, is more than a slogan. It is a promise to honor our heritage, empower our youth, and unite our global Ewe family in purpose and pride. For decades, Siena has been the heartbeat of a people determined to celebrate their roots and shape their future. From the vibrant rhythms of Agbaja and Bobobo to the quiet wisdom of our elders, every convention has been a living tapestry of tradition, unity, and vision. Join us from September 3rd to September 7th, 2026 at Bethesda North Marriott Hotel, Maryland. Come ready to reconnect, to rejoice, and to raise funds to help build our Eweland. This is your moment. Register early, volunteer your time and talents, give generously to fuel the future, and most of all, share the message. Let the world know that Siena is not just alive, it is thriving. Together, we preserve culture. Together, we inspire generations. Together, with the Ewe Association of Washington DC Metro Inc., we build Siena 2026. Join us to make history. Siena 2026. Honor the past. Empower the future. Visit www.siena2026.org for more information. See you there.
Siena 2026.
Yes.
Welcome you. DMV.
Yes.
Siena 2026 DMV will welcome you.
Thank you.
Ao migrena bosanuba, ao vlo novio. Migrena satanaba, ao vlo novio. Migrena bosanuba, ao vlo novio. Migrena satanaba, ao vlo ao vlo, ao vlo, ao vlo ao vlo, ao vlo, ao vlo Migrena bosanuba, ao vlo novio. Migrena satanaba, ao vlo ao jokato, jojo nya nya nya, dala Yesu regbe. Jokato, jojo nya nya nya. Jokato, jojo nya nya nya, dala Yesu regbe. Jokato, jojo nya nya nya. Ao migrena bosanuba, ao vlo novio. Migrena satanaba, ao vlo
Minha raison. Minha raison.
Yo,
Minha coisa, mano.
da Vero.
Yes. Minha do ja na masham la kama godo. Afo plug minha ja dom na mo la Canada. Germany, Africa. Minha Siena media. Minha mission for Victoria ni la kaji. Minha raison. Azon la minha chiffon minha araba pour minha agbo pour mama. Que minha va moje ba minha garota. Akoba da kom kawe la minha chien kawe minha o jemi. Ta for Cyrus, alors Atty Cyrus la minha do. Minha povo maga avukula minha maga apoto onyo ala minha do. Minha da Enyo nam ala minha do. Minha to mama Vero. Que minha terão Egba mi zakoroga mi ala la ba mi afon kpolo nya sala mi ha mi agare manami mi afọ atọ ni akpọ mi le mi si ofo gbem ye mi ada enyo na ma akpọ mi le fansi ke apoto wo nyonto ano chidema manami abale ke mi oni de chaga sa ye tete gare gbo fia afọ Cyrus ala fima
Melilo.
Peli gong. Ayo,
Meli,
ka
yeah.
badi asino kakere ya vubama.
Hey, Akbenami, thanks very much. Like that Vero said, today's program is going to be a discussion. As you all know, we have Siana ahead of us in a few days' time. So we want to talk about that. We want to talk about our plans. We want to discuss things that we'll be learning. So it's just going to be a general discussion today. Thank you.
Akpa azu danyu na makogare mia do mahareko. Egba mia pa Dzeɖoɖo kwenya mia ko sia na halango na mi apoto onyo. Nero kuku no dazambo na da kura kama na mi. Sia na ikanya vo habobo kata la America kla Canada. Havo fuvo habobo mu bibi le America godo. Kla yo le Canada. Kple gbedzi vovovo ne gbenyanya me ke do Eʋegbe ko ele siana me mehia kokoko be na no habɔbɔ Eʋegbe habɔbɔ ɖe ma hafi anye hamevi o elabe nu ko mieɖo aƒu dzɔna adzɔ bɔnu ava tu mia de ɖo mia viwo le aƒe mia dzilɔ mia nɔviwo mia nɔsrɔ̃ amewo le xaxa me maɖewo dɔ lém kɔdzi nanewo meli o míeɖɔ bɔnu ava kpɔ dziƒe kɔgãdzi sukuxɔ tɔdzi sasa alo no be gbasasa bridzi mía ŋutɔ míebe bridzi ye numɔ míeva tuna wo ɖo be ne míadzra míade ɖo ta nu vivivi mɔwo ko míexɔ ƒu ko mía ŋutɔ míeɖɔ ga to míaƒe kotoku me míekpɔ míemlina de asi ne siana ko mía ŋgɔgbetɔwo dze agbavɛ wɔ nu le aƒe na mí ta azã gã ya woɖo gɔme anyi le Ghana aƒea me yike nye zi evelia woɖo gɔme anyi le ho alebe azã ŋutɔ gbɔna le ƒe dzinu asiekea ƒe ŋkeke 3 va se ɖe 7 dzi ta azã le ŋgɔ egbɔna ŋutɔ kɔnyɔ ne me dzra ɖo haɖe kɔ ke dzra ɖo ni tikitiwo hã vɔ gake ame yiwo katã ƒe su tikiti dzi kɔ didi agbagba azã le ŋgɔ ŋutɔ kɔtsi ɖe ave pɛ koe kɔtɔ ne míate ɖe ŋu aƒetɔ Cyrus le afi ma ne míaƒo nu tso tutui ɖe yevuwo ƒe gba me alebe míaƒo nu tso azã ŋu.
Yeah, so as Auntie Vero was saying, Siana is for all Evers in the USA, Canada, and even in South America. If you identify yourself as anywhere, you can be a Siana member. You don't necessarily have to belong to association because we know in so many places or in some states there are no associations for you to join. There you can still be a member of Siana. And our main mission is to raise funds to help Eweland. And Siana has had a track record in building hospitals, nurses' quarters, classrooms, building small bridges across rivers to connect communities. So this is done through small contribution of individuals like you and I who come together and raise money through the staff fund to be able to do this program. So today we want to discuss things concerning the upcoming Siana, which is going to be from September 3rd to September 7th, which is over the Labor Day holiday. So we're going to be talking about that. It's going to be coming on in Maryland, Marriott, Bethesda North, and we know most of the tickets have been sold, but you can still be part of this program. If maybe you've not bought your ticket, you can still donate. You can still join the program online even as it comes on. So look forward to an exciting time. Thank you.
Akpa ewe do ha atoni ewe pe banya ya vile kala mnya ndokutia aha tamia gaiji azaya ale ogbona pa ya ma ale dodo to hiare doctor marakuno zazambu na de manami azam ogo majaga yaura gbe kanya fojingo sheki aban kakaton alebe gbemagbe wo nutso mom ye yone be momo le Eʋegbe me momo ye momo tsoge nkume atso aɖu azã lae yengo yesema
Yes,
aha
Momo,
yevononya
Momo Anyaka.
momo enye mask
Oh, okay. Masquerade party. Okay.
maska miyoni le Eʋegbe me be momo ta mie momo tsoge alebe mia akɔɖu azã ya enye dekɔnu yi ke wotsaka woblibe nye afitɔwo ƒe dekɔnu yi ke wokɔ ge ɖe míatɔ ele míawo míade egyewo be kaka motovi wowɔnɛ Christmas dzi wowɔna numɔwo míokɔnɛ ɖu azã hã wowɔnɛ wònɔna stylish enyakpɔna yi koe nye heya hã gake heya is masquerade party alebe mesiame natso nu ŋu miadzraɖo ɖe ŋu nyuie nɔviwo kpɔ ga dzesi ko miaɖu nua nu ŋu aɖu ɣe fine ta numa ye wɔ ge wòala ŋkeke gbãtɔ yi ke woe zɔ do ge nam ke afi ɖe agbea ne míefɔ ŋdi ame yiwo ke be yewoyi nukpɔƒea woyi ge ɖe enukpɔƒe ava kpo Washington DC ele va azã eƒe ame azã le Washington DC ta woyi ge ava kpo duame ɖa akpɔ fi yi ke míwo dumegã ele aƒetɔ Trump ƒe aƒeme aƒeya me yi ke míeyɔna be White House na ame yiwo ta da afi ma wode ge fifia ɖoko mɔ megali miatso ko age ɖi o etsa teƒe mɔ katã ɖoko wonɔ gbadzaa nata ge ɖi gake fifia enu sia nu va le nɔnɔme aɖe me ta ne ame aɖe va ye mete ŋu kpɔ ƒe gã mɔ megagblɔ be míawo ye mekplɔ ye yi ke boŋu kɔnu viviviwo ke le nua ŋutia yi te ta ame aɖewo yi ge ava kpo aƒetɔ Martin Luther King I had a dream ƒe teƒe ma hã eli amegã Lincoln afi ma hã li kple bubuwo wo have a African American Museum ye hã nye teƒe nyui aɖe yi ke míata yi akpɔ yi hã nyakpɔ ta maƒe se ɖe afia ne natutu na wo gbɔ
Yeah, so
dɔka nyo na afi ma wòde te na anyi
yeah, my dear.
Yeah.
So we trying to go into the details of the program that we're going to be having at this year's Siana. As we already said, Siana is coming on in Maryland, Bethesda at Marriott Hotel, and it's going to be from September the 3rd, Thursday, to Monday, September the 7th. So our mother Vero discussed what is going to go on the first 2 days. The first day is welcoming, and it's going to be Thursday, September the 3rd, and there's going to be a masquerade party. And as she said, masquerades have exist in Eweland. Even before the Europeans came, we used to do it, and we have a name for it called Momo. And the gangs also call it Kakamotobi. So that's going to be the first day whereby you dress and mask yourself, eat, dance, and have fun for those who be able to arrive on Thursday. And on Friday, there's going to be an excursion. That excursion will be to Washington, D.C. And people who will be on that excursion will be to places of interest like the African American Museum, the White House, Martin Luther King Museum, Lincoln Museum. She also said that it used to be that the White House was opened. I believe I've been there about 2 or 3 times under Bush and under Obama. You can go and even touch the fence. You can go very far. But these days, times have changed with terrorism and all that. So a lot of security protocols are in there. So you may not be able to go as near to the White House as it used to be. But nevertheless, you may be able to see it from a distance. And also there are many important places of interest in DC that the excursion is going to be taking you to. But this excursion, if you want to be part of the official excursion, it's actually booked, but you also can be able to do it. Thank you.
Okay, Dr. Enyo Nanali na kopi namia.
A copy akpe ikuma mieglo ta be de ni wa masquerade alo momoa enye nwike ozana cha ta pebe cha no yide ava pletomoa wo ekona ngma oko dena nkuma alabe benefuto amagakpo ama ajesio ta enye nwike eli eleve nwi eventome alabe poge le Benin vadore Togo Ghana ple eto kata alabe le tefadoa oyoni be zangbeto zangbeto alabe enye nwiyade owona kon enye amlima chichiade ike owona kon alabe nowhere ekpogebe amayo ke yinade avawofua wo ezana nwiyade togbi eko edana de nkuma edewa ozana abaya alo edefe chi alo edefe enkode ife edevaya alebo kone
Devaya lo dero.
devaya eko etona mia alabe odenai ta maybe bereka mi igede mi akpo ale onona tata ma ada yoa ekpogebe nelana na ma nenye be na vaina sugebe ke ede vaya kwela fuma gaka amele de vaya ma ta na ma nye nwiya pe gomajeje cho ada ike afifia yevu ko ngiwo ta over away over le bubu yo akpe iko ma copy.
Okay, kemia gaidi akpena mi afọ mova kata abale ke ogbule na azamie varo afiragbe pe ndikpaji yenye adwoma kpokpo nya ve po Washington DC pe adwoma ga kenemie gbo takpekparo ho yinaji le emia afi kemie ji atai kenya Mariel Rutela ma nanoji gafma alabane mie gbo ndoma nye bona nuduga acho fima obi business meeting woga alo kwa movie biaro ka afima mie de konu woga de konu ike mie fo mie davu afema ami achagbe college manya nyavie jojoge crown achagbe kofuga Naami alaba Washington aviere mie fo ni to manya nyavie da mi va mi akun yiha mia pefio mia defio de konmo go dogo le o pefia nya Dzeɖoɖo to hiarem ava ihanya kponanto amunadu akpɔ dzidzɔ ye nye Apprende Ewe. Ke ne míewoe ezã yi kɔ nye hema hã dro ge azo nuvi aɖe kɔ adro hema ɖe afi ma enuna gake memre agbe. Attorney, akɔe ya.
Yeah, so after the excursion, when we are back from DC, we're going to come to the hotel and we're going to eat lunch at the hotel. That's for people who have the full package and who have their wristband. There's going to be a business meeting for people to share ideas. This basically is going to be networking. You get to see other people, hear from other people. You can learn something. You can connect with somebody. Then after that, in the evening, there's going to be a cultural explosion. That's the exact word that they use. It's going to be cultural explosion. There's going to be music. There's going to be dance. There's going to be drumming. Our chiefs are going to be dressed in their traditional regalia. And as you all know, Washington is the #1 in Siena when it comes to cultural display, dancing. I remember when I went to Charlotte, North Carolina for their Siena, they perform over there. It was spectacular. And there's going to be Achiagbeko on display. Achiagbeko is a unique dance in Eweland. It's a war dance. It's a war dance in Eweland, and they're going to display that kind of dancing and what goes with it. So be prepared on Friday after the excursion. Come back to the hotel and be part of all this. Thank you.
Doctor, Marco be correct here. Okay. Temia ga ijita Apprende Ewe perfume be correct here.
Oh, Maracuja, tá aí,
Apprende Ewe perfume ta yenye ma mi de konwoge. Hajilawo pe hajilawo vovovo ro gbona ɖe no eƒe ya me ƒe azã ya nye ŋutɔ hã me le afi ya nye mekpɔ he ya kpɔ ta vana kpe wohena ve gblɔ be nya hã menɔ afi ma ye nye nya azã ya menye nya vinye gɔlɔ ke nenɔ ke míeve mlɔ anyi vie míefɔ Memre Egbe ŋdia mí katã míesia na habɔbɔ vɔ ta ge age ɖe Nelly Marriott Hotel me alebe North Marriott alebe míehe gege ɖe afi ma alebe edu vovovowo kple habɔbɔ vovovowo wɔ anyinɔge ɖe woƒe nɔnɔmewo ŋu woaɖewo kple woƒe nudzɔdzɔwo woaƒo nu biaɖewo na mí ye hã míegaɖo ɣavi aɖe ya kokoko ko míagadzo nu biaɖe ke míekaka míagavae ɖu ŋdɔkutsu agbɔ ke fifia ye mie dzadzraɖo ŋutɔ ne 3 piece le asiwɔ leke míeyɔnɛ agbara ne le ŋutsuwo sia woɖui wohe ɖe da ɖe abɔta zi da ɖe abɔta ne mie be abla ko nabla nyuie gake ne be ado tsaŋka le be nadi Apprende Ewe va yi ne be ado fugu nadi Apprende Ewe va yi gake ata dui magbe ne be ado suit ata do suit fifia míedina va ge woƒe hadzila vovovowo ɖeke nye Chief 1 woƒe gankiwo nano gbam wono trom ewo dzi ge na mí gbe ma gbe menye nya vi eɖewo hã nane le kevi me mí va afi ma miava se ʋegbe ha míaƒe ʋeviwo hadzi mefia woƒe nane le kevi me mí va kpo kevia me dzidzime 5lia me mí va ŋua dzi miakpɔe ta ye hã edzɔdzɔ ge gbe ma gbe live band vava ge yi ke nya ame yiwo ŋutɔ hadzi ge aƒo ha na mí mesi be aƒetɔ gboti yawo hã gado mianɔ ge hafi míaƒe DJwo hã woganua ɖewo mla ge na mí kɔ míedzo ebɔbɔbɔ timatoe aɖe hã gbɔna ta mído miava kpo nuteƒe menye nya vie dzɔdzɔ ge ƒe ya me ta ye nye Memre Egbe ƒe ezãmetɔ magakoe te afi ya ne ƒo nya na gayi dzi.
Yeah, so on Saturday, we're going to start the day with the Congress of Associations. So all associations are going to be gathered starting at 8:30 a.m. And the dress code is going to be Sienna cloth. So now Sienna cloth, we have the blue one. You can wear the blue one, or you can wear the wine one in the morning. And these associations will meet. There'll be invited guests who will speak. Our chiefs will also be in attendance. And there'll be different musicians. Musicians have been invited for this year's Sienna, and they'll also be there. Then we're going to be having lunch in the afternoon. There will also be another business meeting. Again, there'll be one on Friday in the afternoon between 2 and 4, and Saturday also after the Congress of Association meeting, or that can also be referred to as the convention itself. Convention. There will be another business meeting. Then in the evening, there is going to be the dinner dance. So that's what we're going to eat our lunch. That's what we're going to eat our dinner or our supper. And the dress code for that is a kente team program, but you can as well wear your suit, or what we call coat. You can wear your fugu. You can wear your agbaja. So there's not going to be any restriction when it comes to that. And once again, you're going to see our chiefs dressed in their regalia, and they'll be sitting in state, full regalia. And for this year also, musicians have been invited to sing or to perform for us. There's going to be Chief One. There's going to be somebody singing Nande Le Keviema. There is something in the bag. Kevi is like a bag. Normally, you keep things in it. You store things in it. It's like a storage bag, but it's well noted for keeping a cat daddy, which is a very important recipe in Eweland. So there will also be live bands in attendance who will be playing. There will be DJs performing, and we know Agutia was in Dallas last year when Sienna was held, and it's most likely that he's going to attend this Sienna as well, and he will perform for us. So Saturday is going to be full of activities, starting with the Congress of Association in the morning, business meeting, lunch, then there will be a dinner banquet. There will be a banquet in the evening. So that's going to be the Saturday programs. Thank you.
Doctor. Ada liana be a coffee and you know reba. You can name your grandpa.
The oba ikwe mata mia odi anyi Eʋegbe katope ya lo conventional ipanya
Careful.
na mia atu Eʋe nyigba do a iko nye wone do.
Okay. And yeah, Nura can highly appear my pazan. I got do more bubu arevi. Kama shamana no jona roki. No go plano to go mia we abadi amaniela ale ko wonu ko nya we nana ma pepepe no na no do aran manye na cho official ti ko hana la rokun kle ambara shava yi nya tan wo no mare na ko garo ho mako mi mi be nya wo ko nya wo la ho mako atu su to dogo vevieto mia poko pujia na lirashia tepea wo wogela kopujia na lashiwo kwegara tepara magalira shi chona no yimo ta mia lebana mia rofio akpanami na zan moto bilo homa na bla ugba kokuli na kodare onuma na rofiare ko na kodare gbalonuma magaglire gbajaji ko na najinya na tefano lao no nya glanko na nya de afi miecho ta akpahanami la pamagoji nu wona oli wo mia na ga tefa wo lolo ta wo ale mi zozonga afi to gani ala kle afi tefa wo le nu wona vovovo la na ho bagi vi alo amba vieto ma yo fle ni akata zan pa nu yo kata ko no kwino ko wo nyo nago bale ale yo zozonge tamia le hamaharashi vevi na vako na ina ve ho ko na va ngronko ke ho nuvio ko edzo ɖoɖo aɖe tɔn alea ko mía detɔ yewo wɔ nɛ kpakpakpa ko nuwo katã nɔna kpakɔ míawoe be míawoe nye blotsitɔwo míeva míawoe ɖe blotsitɔwo ƒe nya dzi Washington malo eya menye Boston o Washington ta míagakɔe ayi dzi afi míage ɖe Kɔsiɖagbe gbɔ.
Yeah, so what we are saying is that generally the place we're going to be having the convention this year is big. So there will be mapping. Those who bought a full convention package. In your packet, there's going to be marking, and also I believe when you are registering, you can be able to get this information as to how you'll be able to get around in at the convention center. So everything will be in there. And also one unique thing is that we're going to do things as is done in America here. Everything is going to be orderly as is expected. So for instance, you're not expected to be eating outside. You're not expected. So when you take your food and go to your room. You go to your room and go and eat it there. The only thing you can consume outside is things that you buy from their restaurant. Okay, if you happen to buy breakfast from them or lunch from them or any pastries or drink, fine, but you cannot bring any outside food. They are allowing us to be able to serve our food, but we cannot just sit down anywhere and eat. No, you have to take it to your room, just like it's done everywhere in America. Thank you.
Yeah, doctor, Marco de la Shua. Tamia wo Kɔsiɖagbe kɔ ke nade le ɖeka me na mi. Ke ne míewo xe ya míeɖua zãzã ma me vɔ míetri egbe gãŋkewo gbe kɔ ne nua kea míexɔtsi yi ge yina kpe da ge na Mawu. Ale be global moderator gã tso Ghana duɔmenɔ ge ale be ye mawunya gblɔ ge gbe ma gbe ta globalviwo mi tso takuvia miadogo ne miakpɔ adoɖeɖe ne globalviwo ɖa ta gbe ma gbe ame sia ame nadɔ awu ɣi na fu ya white church nye gɔ la church ame sia ame nadɔ awu ɣi mo fu titi mia atsɔ seye akafu Mawu be míeve viawo yɔ eve dukɔ míame yiwo le gbedzi mi meŋlɔ ƒe be o míawoe nye yewo ta mía ado ke ne tsɔtsia kpakpa kɔ míegadzo míeyi ɖe nuɖuƒe míeyi ge ɖe picnic míava ɖu nu le package ta afi ma ye nua le nu sia nu ne dzi yakayake aboloe kaklo kaƒomevi gbeli kakloe venawo kakloe wo katã wo afi ma nɔ ge gbe ma gbe ta mie nuwo ɖu ge ƒuƒu mɔlu míade nu ɖe sia ɖe yiwo ƒe mi megakpɔkpɔ wo va afi ma nɔ ge enyi gbe nɔ vana va kpe ɖa tikite le ŋu ne mefli ha ɖe kɔ ke va kpe ne mevɔ kɔ na kpe ale be míava ɖu nu ne míetsɔ nua ƒe gbɔ fi me míeva le tsi gbɔ míegbɔna nu ge kple toli kple nane hã gakpe ɖe UFO hã gakɔ nane kpe ɖe tolia ŋu ezãma me ta ne xe yi ƒe dzodzo nɔkɔ na yi ne míava ɖe modzaka kɔ ke azã ya mía koe vɔe ma ke ame yiwo dodo ge me ko wote dodo ko ne nua ka ye nye Labor Day America ŋutɔ ƒe ƒe ƒalɔƒa ɖeka blatɔ̃ ƒalɔƒa 250 right ƒalɔƒa blatɔ̃ ye America ŋutɔ xɔ ye míeɖu ge dzo ɖe agbe ka afi ma ko nane gale kevi me na mi ele be míage ɖe dzidzimatɔlia me na America dukɔ míaɖu azã ma hã ɔgbe ka maasi da tia no fonyana yidina nyaga koba leke.
Yeah, so we've been through our programs on Thursday, which is masquerade, on Saturday, which is going to be banquets. I'm just talking about the main ones. On Friday is excursion, Saturday banquet, Thursday masquerade party. But when it comes to Sunday, that is where we're going to go into the spirit. And for this year, we have preachers or worshippers of God coming from all the way from Ghana. Global Evangelical Church is going to lead us in worship. Global Evangelical View, or followers of or members of Global Evangelical will be here to help us to worship God, to lead us in worship. Um, so this is just going to show us that we've not forgotten how we used to worship God back home. So we still continue. I believe we have these churches also represented in America. So that's going to be in the morning, and the attire is going to be white. Why? Because in our culture we believe that white stands for purity. So normally we wear white in times like that. Just after the church, there's going to be a picnic in the park. Okay, this picnic is going to require a ticket. If you have buy the full convention packet, you have it. There you can buy individual ticket just for the picnic. If you want to be part of the picnic, I believe it's about $40. And it's been finishing, and sometimes they add more tickets. So you just have to check the website, Siana2026.org. You go there and you'll be able to buy a ticket for this convention. For this convention ticket is gone, but you can get ticket for picnic. And some of the food that will be served is not just going to be Western food like rice, but we're going to have traditional food like yakayake, abolo. There's going to be kaklo. They have agbeli kaklo, they have vena kaklo, different types of kaklo. And so at the picnic, usually we have music playing, we have people interacting, there is networking, there is food, but you need to have your wristband on to be able to get this food. As you know, so many people are coming, so everything must be done orderly as it is done here. So you show your wristband, you get your food, you get your drink, you get your water. I believe it's going to be hot over there. I'm from Texas, it's hot here, and I believe you're in the summer, so it's going to be hot there. So you need cold water, and if you have your ticket for the picnic, that entitles you to all that. Then we also are celebrating the 250-year anniversary of the United States, which is going to be on Labor Day, Monday, the 7th. So I know a lot of people will be traveling back home, but you can still catch part of the fun even as you are in the DC area. So there's going to be America's 25th year celebration on Monday as well. So, in a nutshell, this is going to be the program that we're going to be having for this year's Siana. And it is unique. It is unique. I would say that I personally have been looking forward to this ever since the Siana was organized in Charlotte. And I just want to pay tribute to one woman, Dr. Faustina Quist. She was then, I believe, the president of Washington, D.C., and she did a lot. Unfortunately, she's not with us here. May her soul rest in peace. But she did a lot. She did a lot of groundwork. So they've been preparing for this for a long time, up to this time. So the time has now come for us to celebrate, and this Stiana in 2026 is going to be a unique one. And it also fell on a very important American anniversary, which is 250 years celebration. So it's maybe a coincidence, but it so happens that we happen to be in the national capital celebrating Siana whilst this is happening in the national capital as well. So we thank God that in his own time, he make everything beautiful. Thank you.
Akpenami. That doctor, Nana Kamalio, Kenya Garamaniakwe.
Yo, apa nama? Ya mata kumiesia yete anyawa ta ya apo onye begba mi be mi apo ncho Siana convention ike mien fome chue afi mi globe azan yoko duna le eveme ike Togo, Ghana, Benin. Ta ɖeka yi ke mi kpɔkpɔ ge fia enye azã ɖe woɖuna le aŋlɔ me yi ke woyɔna be hogbetsotso ale be nu ya ƒo ge mia le afia etso Capital FM Kenya woƒe eŋukpɔkpɔ nye fia ge mia la ale be mieƒoma so this is only for educational purposes. Ta mieƒoge ale be ne miakpɔ vie me yiwo ke menye hogbetsotso alo mose ŋkɔa ne wa akpɔe yo akpe ke Atty aƒo vie English
Yeah, so we're going to be playing a clip which is going to be about an actual festival that we celebrate in Eweland from the Anglo side, which is going to be Hogbe Chuchu. And this clip is just for educational purposes. It's a clip that was made by, a video that was made by a station in Kenya. So we're just playing for educational purposes and not for any financial benefit. So it's just to educate. Thank you.
Yo, akpe ke yema miko mia hogbetsotso zaya miakwe dabe leke yo ke yeah.
Sound ama vava molo nyamasom.
Yo, akpe mami. Ya, maraku miako. Maraku miako miako ta anglo fe hogba chuchua. Yema mie apo. Alabe mashame miako na na chong alababa opong cho mi na o ewona hogba chuchua oduna azaya ha ogle na mi ye de ye bema. Yo, akwe ke maraku na nyabu guarele ya ke maraku mikopi Mama Vero Claire Atty Cyrus.
Yeah, so the video we just watched is the Hogbachuchu Festival of the people of Anglo. We have to say that in Eweland, there are so many festivals depending on which part of the land you're coming from. The Anglo celebrate the Hogbachuchu. When you go to the northern side of Eweland, you normally celebrate yam festivals, which you call it Tebidu festivals in Mepe and Mafi areas. They celebrate the Asafotu festival in Agave, the Jau festival. So there are a lot of festivals, but in Eweland, the most common and interesting and important one, prominent, is the Hogbachuchu festival. So in the clip we saw, they told us why they celebrate the Hogbachuchu festival, the reason why they celebrate it. Just like every festival, there's a reason. It's a festive occasion, and there's a reason for it. So, in case you didn't get a sound, you can always go back and search this. I believe you can be able to get it on YouTube. If you type in Hogbachuchu Festival, you can be able to get a lot of things about it. Thank you. I'll yield to Vero.
Malafia gong gong gong.
Yo,
Mava Jovadom.
Yeah, that very says she's
Majovadom.
multitasking. She was multitasking.
Mito
So she's doing 2
Masro
or 3 things at
Hadramagba.
the same
Ayifro
time.
Latinia.
yo.
Mido Wezona Ayifro.
Away was the
That's not up
Ta miava Zãɖuɖuwo are hama.
yeah, man.
Srɔ Eʋegbe.
Yeah, doja.
Eyo. Enyo.
Yeah, man.
Miaga iji dekɔnu kple azãɖuɖuwo le miaɖe. Eɖewo nye abe. Let me check my phone. Abalia ke miegbe hogbezã. Ne mieve tɔŋu ɖe azãɖo le afi ma. Ne miege ɖe hogodzi. Azã le afi ma te zã kple nɔviawo. Ne mietu ta xɔxɔe godzi, gbigodzi, gbizã le afi ma. Ne miedo ŋutie gayi dziaƒo. Azã bubu aɖewo le afi ma. Ne mieve egekpa dzi adangodzi, asafotu kple xɔmɔwɔ. August mea miege ɖo egeawɔ wo xɔmɔwɔ ɖum. Yi ke ne nuɖuɖu bɔ yewo hã gaɖo azã ma. Kpetoe miege ɖe agɔtsime kpetoe. Ketezã tɔxɛ aɖe le afi ma. Nu ɖeka nyemegblɔ le memleagbawo be keta ɖewo kaka ge menye nu vie dzɔdzɔge le Siana ya me. Game sia me mage ɖe me nahe wo ketawo ɖe go. Ta mekpɔ miaƒe flyer ɖoa akpɔ be registration nyɔnuvia ɖewo sekretara le dzi kekeŋ. Ŋutsua ɖe hã koe da ɖe abɔta. Ta miaɖe miade kɔnu nu xɔasi nu vavãwo nye le mia si. na ayewo va ko fine jo na ta mi on ton ha mi do shi koko mu akpanani
Akwe.
yeah doctor ala mi agbo ikla aton
Yo, akpe Naami. Akpe. Ta yema miego Mama Vero le Atty. Enyama miego. Alebe ekogebe le miatenyigba dia nui bukukuli azãɖuɖuwo oli ame ta yema onye eteɖuɖu
when I finish I will join
eɖewo nye teɖuɖu eɖewo nye abe míekpɔ ʋegbetsotsɔa ta heya nye nui vi aɖe míakpɔ ma afie alebe miekpɔ ge eteɖuɖue nye ya heya etso peki ta peki alebe davi abena aɖe ye de nuia ɖi ta heya ɖeko míafiam ko ne míakpɔe ale woɖuna ete le afi ma ta ame ɖe
Zan le peki
le peki ta woɖunɛ le teƒe yi woyɔna be ʋedome yi ke nye de dziehe ne ʋegbenyigba dzi wodona ete le afi ma geɖe ta enye nu yi ke nenye ete yeye gbogboa enye azã yi ke woɖuna yo akpe ta ame ɖe ku miakpɔ ma mia ha zema ƒom ɖe
yeah anya konto o dona ɖe dua me eɖo azã ado vivi ɖe dukɔ ŋu doctor menya be míegblẽ va yi azã yewo ɖuɖu katã fie kɔ na woda agble ye nu woxe nuku eƒe trɔ wokoe dɔ dzidzɔɖoɖokui be yewoxe nu mía doctor mía ge ɖe míaƒe subɔsubɔ me alebe míekpɔna be yewowɔna harvest le sɔlemewo alo mema ye kɔ ɖua nuŋezãwo le míaƒe sɔleme vovovoawo ta ne bli yeye do ete yeye do ye eƒe trɔ kɔ woɖu azã ye dukɔ vovovo yawo katã alo gbe vovovo gbɔgblɔ yawo le míaƒe Ghana dukɔ ya me kple du woɖu azã ya kɔ dɔ vivi ɖe wo ɖokuiwo ŋu be yewogaxe nu ƒe ya me na ɖela ame ɖe sia ne koe koe faa
Yeah. So the video we just watching is one festival from Eweland. Like we said, the northern part of Eweland, they celebrate the Yam Festival. Most of them celebrate the Yam Festival, and it's a festival celebrated when they harvest the yam, they eat, feel happy, and we've discussed this before. So it's called the Teduduza or Yam Festival. So that's what we're watching. Some of the things they do, the drumming that goes with it. Thank you.
Akpe na mi kata doctor ta míaƒe nukpɔlawo na ame yi ke medzra ɖo na azã haɖe kɔ no dzagba wobe dzi woƒe takuviwo kple afɔkpa yiwo kɔkɔ gaɖu he azã tu aƒe ne míadzo ke míaƒo ta kple nu ɖeka kɔ ke míedzo
Yeah, so we've almost come to the end of our program today. So if you're not ready for today's this year's Sienna, this is the right time for you to get in the mood. Even if you can't be in DC, in person, Maryland, you can join online and follow the activity. Thank you.
And they shouldn't stay out. Now, madam, Vavaga, no dodora me fan. Alabania, the Dukumia Vetsy.
Yeah, concerning the contributions, also, even if you can't make it in person, there are ways that you can be able to send your contributions to Sienna so that we'll build Eweland. Thank you.
Egbato hanya ga darafia. Nicho miagadogo.
Yeah, man.
Well, we're going to end today's program here, and I believe we'll meet after Sienna. So thank you.
Yo, akpe. Yeah, man. Sienna, Egbona. Olabe, Yema Oglo, Enyo Kata Naami, Ale Sienna, Odui Anyi Beno Kotu, Eʋegbe, Doi, Alabe, Afi, Niyoke, Ejona, Lesiana, Nviviyoke Yinaji, Fletomo Kata Nyekwe, Ta Abala Miegloena, Egba Miebe Mia Ade, Mia Eʋegbe, Niyo Afia Eʋegbe, Nuwo now, azãɖuɖuwo Afia, Ta Yema, Ta Fifia Miejoena, Yake Miejoena, Miebe Miako azã ɖe yike Oduna, yike woyɔna be agbamevɔzã. Tadi Mama Vero kple Atty, meɖeku amakawo ɖuna azãma agbamevɔzã.
Oh, Tonu. Over Tonu.
Nke nye agbamevɔ. Miaɖe me ne miaƒe ŋkɔ la.
Awo kpetwe.
Yema tutu. Mama
Agoti me kpetwe na agbamevɔ. Alebe wɔwoe to kete wɔwɔ ŋtɔntɔntɔ ve. Ta nova agbamevɔ alea wo kete wɔwɔ dzɔa. Ye nye nua ta kete vavãwo eyi ke míatɔ siatiwo fi tso mía gbɔ kple numɔ katã woɖena dodoetɔwo hego míekpɔna. Nyitsɔ mekpɔ woƒe video ɖe enya kpɔ ŋutɔ.
Yema tutu. Mema, Yema Bala Mama Blana. Tao gloni habe afuma yenye afike kete to agoti me kwete. Alebe nike kete alokente ya oyoyom fia. Obe egom nyebe okena mia okoloni okene ekene alabene ko alewolona keta ekogebe ne mawoni ma ta oba fuma enko to afi oba yom beke ta na ko asindo ekogebe edinyi to no abo ekogebe abo we ele ta bereka mia ako na nekove to kete lolong alabe mia pia kete bu kete
Ugomede, Chiada, Gomede, Kata Umye, Nya Ogwa, Tanet, Ketada, Ogabeketama, Nyadil, where Mama Vero, Daro, Nyadil.
So yeah, we are ending our program with another festival in Eweland. This Kente Festival, Agbame Zoza Festival, and it's by the people of Agotime Kotoe, which is also in the northern side of Eweland. So that's the festival they are celebrating to commemorate their history as the people that invented kente weaving, and the word kente actually used to be kete, in a way, but that's how it is. So we are displaying that culture. Thank you very much.
Akpe, ita ketefaza ihanyema enya atonu darana mia Africa duko alama ibo duko alaban yezani aba chonvo na nya pasio donara mala chonvo na mi kponu adia mi akala tado takara to bizi ovli horudia oima wo tera choro no toke arama mucho ha okweto batakari alo fugu ya kayo miela fia o to kweto kan ado nono kwedo nui po ala anya ponanto po amagare nya ya nya popon atoro toke ma Naami ta mima iga fun nyega vavage eva odo na maranya nana alo nana mima glenyo alo ve akora kina mi fa ni kwe daraga samanami alo mi ayomi ya kwe kina mi azanlo azagbona nto iki azala Washington Siana 2026 manyanyaje zogo mko manyanyaje Dr. Onwenye nyapa kamera maka nyava no rokutomi niva Naami Kemia gadogo
Yo, akwe. Nyadogo la Siana.
Nyapo bamya gatava pimya isiana ni matava Kemia dogo la Siana. Azana
Zalo.
Nyakpele futa dayina do nyakpele futa Bobina do nyakpele futa Tata gogo. Assalamualaikum. Doctor.
Yeah, Mama.
Assalamualaikum.
Iya, masih. Ada ini.
Tata gogo. Bobina do nyakpele futa.
Kami via Mama aja navaji hamala Siana halaba special performance hema aja navaji afina hajilava
over jota
ewe lakuyone ngotonya alo lakuyone ewe waga halaba
Pondo nyabe monongogo Naami. Danyo egba di mian anu mogo do arriva iya.
Tabale nyada togo na ke
izade nyano kamu. Yo,
Ao migrena bosanu ba ao vlo novio migrena satana ba ao vlo Novio, migrena bosanu ba, au blo novio. Migrena satana ba, au blo au blo, au blo, au blo au blo, au blo, au blo Migrena bosanu ba, au blo novio. Migrena satana ba, au blo Ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu regbe jokato jojo nya 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 jokato jojo nya 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 dala Yesu regbe jokato jojo nya 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 Ao migrena bosanu ba ao blo novio migrena satana ba ao blo Ao migrena bosanu ba ao blo novio Migrena satana ba, au blo, 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 Migrena bosanu ba, au blo novio. Migrena satana ba, au blo, Jokato, jojo nya nya nya, dala Yesu regbe. Jokato, jojo nya nya nya. Ajato, jojo nya nya nya, dala Yesu regbe. Ao migrena bosanu ba, ao blo novio.